You searched how to buy shares of Atlantic Union Bankshares Corporation. Atlantic Union Bankshares Corporation is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AUB, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy AUB, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will typically need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker AUB to find the exact listing. Look for Atlantic Union Bankshares Corporation on the NASDAQ results to select the correct stock. Open the stock page to view basic company details and the price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange NASDAQ, and ticker AUB to ensure you have the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After completion, your AUB position will appear in your portfolio. For the example platform link, see the description below.